Alright, so plugs are removed. Liquid electric tape is applied. Inside of the throttles are extremely dirty and messy for 170,000 kilometers. I will take it apart and we'll clean it. Right now, it seems like we need to remove the EGR something there. Maybe we just remove it all together. Not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. When I say remove it all together, I mean remove the unit with both sides together. I don't know if it's doable or not. We'll see. Passenger side. So the throttle valves have been removed. You can see how deep. If I try to zoom, like I just tried to scratch a little bit with the flathead screwdriver, just to show you how deep the dirt or soot is. Well, that's pretty much a conclusion for the first episode. Making sure this is plugged here and there. And as we dig deeper, this side seems to be much more wet than the passenger side, which I'm starting to suspect is the cause of the oil leak somewhere in here. We'll find it. We got time. Alright, we'll see you on the next episode.